Crystal Chanel. I am back. It is a brand new decade. Happy New Year. I am just so ready to go. Like, I have such this like renewed spirit, and I'm just super excited, y'all, like for my lifestyle, for my goals, for my foods, for my fitness, like my brand. Like, are y'all feeling this energy? Like, the energy is there. I'm really hoping you all had a wonderful holiday, your Christmas, whatever you celebrate. But let's just get right into this video. In fact, let's pause. If you are new to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as notification bell. If you're an existing Diva doll or Diva Don, then hey boo, I missed you. But yes, can y'all just get into this right now? I am super excited to do this video for my homegirl Ashley. She is the owner of Meltfit. I am going to explain what it is that I have on, how much it costs, how it fits, how sizing works, and all of that. But I've been following her journey for a while, so just to see her birth something from an idea to actually existing, I think is beautiful, and it makes me so excited as an entrepreneur and a fellow woman just to see her succeed and do well. Okay, so if you want to see what it is that I picked up from Meltfit, stay tuned. I just decided to grab my camera because as I was opening this package from Meltfit, I was thinking like, oh my god, this is also nice, and I know y'all are going to ask questions, so I'm just gonna go ahead and throw it all together. But this is workout gear for plus size women. It will compress and hold you in. It feels like really good fabric. Let me just show you. She is so freaking adorable, y'all. Like, look how bomb she is. Shout out to Ashley. I am so happy I met you on social media, followed your journey, and I'm so proud of you for having this as an option for us plus size divas. I don't know, it's just something about small businesses where they take time and attention to detail. So just being a small business owner myself, I appreciate this. This is why I had to come and share. So I love her mailer bag with her branding. She has the size details. They come packaged pretty well. And basically, I want to do the video because I want to explain sizing. So I have my measurements down below. She has so many different colors and collections. These are my favorite. I am about to work out, but I'm about to do a try on haul for you dolls first. So yeah. Okay, so we're just going to jump right in. Now, as you can see, I have on this two-piece set. Now let's just start with the pricing. The pricing is on point. I love compression wear. I love workout gear, active gear. I wear it for working out. I wear it for fashion. Long story short, her prices are on point. So the bras are about 39 bucks. The bottoms are about 42 bucks. Y'all, these are plus size bottoms, compression bottoms, thick stretchy material. I've paid well beyond that before, so I just want y'all to know about the pricing firsthand. I'm just staring at the camera and I'm just thinking like, girl, this is cute. Like, first of all, look how it has my booty sitting right. Now, I don't know about y'all, but whenever I get workout clothes, I always pay attention to how it makes my booty feel. Because if you're running out the house, you're going to the gym, sometimes you have to run to the store, you have to get some gas, you're doing errands, going to the pharmacy, whatever. You want to look cute still, okay? Gone are the days of frumpy fashions for plus size curvy women. Can I get an amen? Okay, now back to the outfit. Pants are a size medium, and I know you're probably thinking, girl, medium. Remember, these are made for curvy, bodacious, plus size, full figured women. And long story short, it's really, really stretchy on the bottom. The tops aren't super duper stretchy like the bottoms, but the bottoms are very, very stretchy. And because I am going to be running, I'm going to be jumping rope, I'm going to be cycling, I need something to hold me in, okay? So long story short, the pants I got in a medium. I am not upset at all at how they fit. Remember, we're going to be burning inches. You don't want to get it to be baggy, so she does have a sizing chart on her website. Take advantage of that. Please, please, please take a look at that. They are high waist. I think they're really cute. I could put on a t-shirt with cut off sleeves. I can put on a zipper jacket. I can put on, you know, a jean jacket. This is actually cute. I would wear this grocery shopping, running errands. I do like really love this part. So because, you know, I'm thick or whatever, like, you know, you got like the little arm fats and stuff. Some of the bras that I have, they kind of like accentuate that. So I like that this is a full coverage bra and it's going to hold you in. It has those little cups in here, that way you kind of protect your nipples, that we don't have to worry about them showing or anything like that. So I like the pads in here, but they do have the pads. This is a pretty thick band, and I do like how far down it comes, so that, because you know we all have like rolls or whatever, like whatever, but it's really flattering because it comes to a point on your torso where it kind of pulls you up. Very stretchy pants. I love that it's high waist as far as the bottoms are, and then it's low waist as far as the top. So again, big girls, curvy girls, full figure girls, you got rolls or whatever, you can actually use this bra to help hold you in. I think it looks really nice. It gives you that extra confidence, you know, like you're not feeling shy. Like you can actually wear just the top and the bottom to the gym like the small girls are doing or whatever. So I think this is not only perfect for working out, obviously, but also is perfect for your confidence. Like I feel good in this. I feel like I can just go shopping in this. Like I will put on some heels and make this an outfit. Like don't play. But I think the print camouflages, rolls, it camouflages a lot, and it's flattering, y'all. Like come on, like look at my booty. Not to be like that girl, but I like how it's cut in the back. It feels like it lifts you up a little. I really don't know if you can tell on camera, but I got a lot of hips and booty, and this is like holding me in and holding me up, and that's why I really like it. And then of course, again, we have that side deep pocket, so not only are you getting the compression, but you're getting that extra space for your keys, your phone, your debit card, your ID, whatever, gym card, fob, whatever. So get into it. Totally in love with this set. This is my favorite. I thought I was in love with the red, but no, the pink is super girly and it's my favorite. So regardless, she has orange, she has a pretty blue, all of them are striking. I'll go ahead and put pictures in, that way you can take a look, but absolutely go check out my homegirl Ashley. Again, I'll put the links down below. The website is meltfitactive.com, and that's it, y'all. So yeah, again, that is it, dolls. I just wanted to throw together this quick video because as I was unboxing on my Instagram, you dolls voted that you wanted to see the video try on haul for the Meltfit brand. So I am extremely proud of you, Ashley. You go, girl. If you're full figure, you want some active leisure wear or whatever, you need to check this out. I think you would really enjoy it. Go ahead and check down below in the box. I am going to work on finding a coupon code. You know, I have to be a resource for you dolls. Always got to hook you up and save you some coins, but I will update the description box when this video goes live if there is a coupon code for you. Now, of course, you can always sign up for her email list. Her website is meltfitactive.com, because I'm pretty sure any promotion or sales, she'll let you know that way. There's not really anything else I can say. Of course, be sure that you subscribe to this channel as well as my fitness and my vlog channel. You can find the links down below to do that. Also, share this video with a friend. It is 2020. It is a brand new decade. There is nothing left for us to do but to win, okay? So if you have goals in mind, if you haven't written them down yet, go ahead and do that. Say them out loud. Just know that anything you can think is something that you can actually do. You just have to find a plan, work towards it, and that's it. So I want to say thank you, dolls, so much for rocking with your girl. Happy New Year again, and as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.